I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your PayPal app is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the PayPal app. Launch the PayPal app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you're in the app, tap on the wallet icon located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Add a card. In the wallet section, look for the option that says link a debit or credit card. Tap on it to begin the process. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in the required information for your debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Save changes. After entering all the information, tap Save or Add Card to complete the process. You should see a confirmation message if it was successful. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that you've entered the correct billing address associated with the card. Happy transacting!